Patience by John Imrie, 1846 to 1902. Patience, thou art a giant in thy strength, a miracle of wonder-working power. By calm endurance success crowns at length, as certain as the fruit succeeds the flower. Patience, brave heart, 'tis step by step we go, and reach at last the haven of our hopes. 'Tis drop by drop, then hidden springs overflow and rush in torrents down the mountain slopes. 'Tis one by one our moments swiftly die, to form the deathless history of the past. Then patiently pursue thy purpose high, while genius, hope, and emulation last. Patience is true. Even though defeat seem imminent, yet patience still is sweet. So this is a poem by John Imrie. John Imrie was born in Glasgow, and he moved to Toronto in Canada when he was 25. He worked selling subscriptions to a magazine, and then he became the foreman of a printing factory, and finally he established his own printing company. He was a poet and a printer, and he's most famous for his, or most well known for his, motivational poetry. He was somebody who wanted a fairer society and wanted the poor to get a better deal. Now this poem, Patience, this is what this poem is about. Patience, thou art a giant in thy strength, a miracle of wonder-working power. There we go. So patience is a very strong thing, and this poem, he's talking to patience. So patience is personified, and patience is a giant of strength, and patience works wonders. By calm endurance success crowns at length, as certain as the fruit succeeds the flower. So endurance, just keep going, keep trying, calmly keep trying, and finally you will receive the crown of success. If you keep going, keep trying calmly, you are certain to be successful, as certainly as the fruit comes after the flower. You have the flower, and then out of the flower grows the fruit. Patience, brave heart. So be brave, be patient. 'Tis step by step we go, and reach at last the haven of our hopes. So be patient, don't give up, be brave in your heart, and go step by step up the mountain, or step by step towards your objective, towards the haven, towards the safe place of your hope. So be patient and go slowly but continuously towards your objective. 'Tis drop by drop. So it's like filling something drop by drop, and each drop seems as if it's nothing. It seems very, very, very small. Then hidden springs overflow and rush in torrents down the mountain slopes. And I think this is the same as the mountain streams that come out of the mountain. And the water in these is accumulated drop by drop by drop, and suddenly all of this water comes down the mountain slope. And this is it's like a metaphor that drop by drop you go building up pressure, you go building up the water, and then suddenly this spring comes out of the mountain and it rushes down the mountain. 'Tis one by one our moments swiftly die, to form the deathless history of the past. So the past is formed by each of the moments, each of the attempts, each of the drops of water mounting up, and this is where the past comes from. The past comes, or the history comes from people slowly working away at their objective. Then patiently pursue thy purpose high. So pursue your purpose. Keep trying to attain your purpose. While genius, hope and emulation last, patience is true. So as long as you have imagination and hope and emulation, that you are trying to emulate good things, then patience will be with you. These are the characteristics of hope, of patience. Even though defeat seem imminent, yet patience still is sweet. And even if you look like you're going to fail, keep being patient, because patience itself is sweet. Patience itself is a good characteristic. It's a good thing to have. So enough. Patience. Bye.